What's up, everyone? Just want to say happy Thanksgiving. I hope you're all well and healthy. I just want to mention real quick today that I have a sale on all my merchandise, everything that I've ever created, 25% off. Tomorrow is a full day, a full 24 hours of sales. I have 5 new t-shirts on there. I'd love for you to check out. This is actually one of them. It says cardboard and garages. If you understand, it has a little picture of me breaking. I don't know if you can see that. I spent a lot of time this past 6 months trying to come up with new ideas, drawing up sketches, sending it to artists. So I have some stuff for you and I hope you all enjoy. A big theme in this group of clothes is few understand it, and it just has to do with that drive, that process that we do as artists that honestly few people understand. Few people will know why we do that, but we do it because we love what we do. We love our art form, we love our craft, we love the process, right? So I have a number of designs with that message because I think it's really important for us to stay true to ourselves and, you know, do what we do because we love it, not because someone tells us what to do, not because someone tells us, you know, why we should like this, because we actually genuinely enjoy what we do. Anyways, go get 25% off on all of my merchandise, everything from the back in the day clothes to everything right now, everything brand new. 25% off, 24-hour sale starting tonight at midnight. All right, go get your clothes. Thank you for the support, and I'll see y'all soon. Peace.